Greetings. We are an ISO 9001 certified company delivering trusted, precise, and industry-proven calibration solutions. Introducing the CE certified high precision tachometer calibrator series packed with advanced features and value for money. It delivers true reference RPM, combining compact design with world-class performance. Available in 3 models. RPM C2A with a set range up to 6000 RPM in contact mode and 1,02,000 RPM in non-contact mode. The 3A model offers up to 8000 RPM in contact and 1,36,000 RPM in non-contact. The 4A model offers up to 12,000 RPM in contact and 2,04,000 RPM in non-contact mode. These compact calibrators offer high accuracy, fast and stable performance, precise control, rugged aluminum enclosure, and low noise operation. Ideal for both in-house and on-site RPM calibration, they ensure smooth and reliable results. Equipped with a multicolor TFT touchscreen display offering clear visibility and intuitive operation. Delivers more resolution of 0.01 RPM for precise measurement control. Designed with a transparent safety guard for operator protection during high-speed rotation. Fitted with anti-vibration mounts to reduce vibration and keep the unit stable during operation. Contact mode operation. Switch on the instrument and allow the system to initialize. Select the contact mode. Set the required set point. Any odd value can be set in both contact and non-contact ranges. Allow the motor to accelerate and stabilize at the set RPM. Carefully place the contact type tachometer at the center test port of the rotating disc. Hold it steady without movement and verify the readings. Change the set points step by step, stabilize, and record each point. Non-contact mode operation. Use the mode toggle button to switch from contact to non-contact mode. Select the appropriate teeth setting based on the RPM range. For example, 1 teeth, 6 RPM to 12,000 RPM, 5 teeth, 12,001 RPM to 60,000 RPM, 17 teeth, 60,001 RPM to 2,04,000 RPM. Set the required set point and allow the motor to stabilize automatically based on the selected teeth ratio. Focus the non-contact tachometer sensor on the white reflective slots, maintain steady alignment, and verify the tachometer readings. Change the set points step by step, stabilize, and record each point. Tachometer calibrators are widely used in calibration laboratories, manufacturing plants, QA/QC departments, maintenance workshops, aerospace and defense maintenance applications. It is supplied with an ISO IEC 17025 accredited calibration certificate. For more product details and specifications, visit sunsil.net or contact our team. Thank you.